Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right? Keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generational kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
You ain't got no chicken wings. In 3, 2, and a 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated, boring pattern memorization, acronyms, new acronyms that these gurus make up, so you can think, oh man, they found something new, a new way to trade. This is so amazing. Like, can you teach me? Yes, definitely. You just gotta join my my group or buy my boot camp or whatever, so I can get rich. Okay. But you can just show me? Wow, no. Okay, thanks. We don't do that here. We show you how to successfully trade without all that stuff. And we show you for free. Every single night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sometimes we do bonus streams. We may do one Monday. We'll see. We're supposed to get a really bad snowstorm, I guess, or ice, or I don't know. But it's gonna get in the 20s, Monday and I think Tuesday. So we'll see. I got some story times, but if we have time for it, we'll do that later. Crypto bubbles. What's going on, crypto bubbles? River up 28.9% on the daily. Holy smokes. What else is up? That's it. ZRO 12.4 on the daily. Boring. Big time boring. Let's go to the hour time frame. Ooh, we got green. Does this mean the coins are coming up? We're gonna look at Litecoin and some other coins. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. I got my trusty notepad here. We'll write them down and we will see if they're ready or if our alerts are going off. I hope you guys are having a good day. You know, whether it's trading or at work or family or whatever, I hope you're having a good day. I really do. Let's see here. Let's give some shout outs. The first one was D, not you. Holy smokes. Early on the like today. Appreciate you, man. And thank you for everybody smashing the like. It truly does help support the channel. And I know you always hear it. Oh, smash the like, smash the like. But you have no idea the struggle. The struggle's real, guys. In the YouTube streets, the struggle is real. So thank you. You guys are the best. Let's see, we got Sin in the house. Oh, crap. I forgot my water. Dang it. We got Sin in the house. Thank you, Sin, for being here. Infinite Team TA, my man. What's up, buddy? What is going on? Appreciate you, man, for being here. Mike in the house. Holy smokes. We got Mike in the house. Thank you, Mike. You're the best. Infinite Team TA with the chickens. Man, so this story I will say real quick. The chickens next door, I call them turkeys because they're so big. So the chickens, man, they be eating my cat food like all the time now. They know exactly where the cat food's at. They don't even hesitate. They just make a beeline from the neighbor's house straight to the porch. And I see them on the, not only do I hear them, but I see them on the camera. And I go out there and they're already attacking the food. Good Lord. So I put the food on the table I have outside, and the cats know not to get on the table, or tables, period. And so I put them up there, and right away they got down. And there was still food there. So I don't know if there was a little bit of food missing. So hopefully I can get them to, but how high can chickens go? I was going to ask ChatGPT, but I forgot. Does anybody know how high chickens can fly? Can they just like fly like 1 foot, or can they fly like 3 feet up? So let me know. If you can, that'd be great. We got JR in the house. What's up, JR? Appreciate you, man. Appreciate your community. I love your Discord, dude. I absolutely love your Discord. Can't talk enough about it. Ooh, and Monday, hopefully I'm off. Hopefully we have internet and electricity, so we can start that challenge, $10 challenge, and it's open for everybody too. So join the Discord, JR, if you could, or anybody, post JR's link for the free Discord. That's a $10 challenge. We're gonna do it for 7 days, as much trading as you want or as little trading as you want, and see who makes the most in 7 days. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool. Let's see here. We got checking everybody out. Okay, good. Let's see here. Floki's Angels in the house. I saw the video. Very sad. Just saying goodbye and everything like that to the kitties. And for some reason I couldn't, like, on all, like today, I will watch a lot of your videos today. I smashed a like, but I always like make a comment. Helps the algorithm. And I couldn't make any comments today on your videos. I didn't try on anybody else's videos. I don't know if it was my phone or what the deal was, but I couldn't comment. But just know my heart's with y'all and be thinking about y'all all the time. And of course, you know, you can still watch me and still communicate and then hopefully looking forward to beating pin pals. So that'd be cool. That'd be cool. I'm looking forward to it. I really am looking forward to it. I'm also looking forward to making some money on crypto. Can we go and get some longs today? Possible. Let us look at the fear and greed index. It was at 20, now at 24. Let's go. Moon mission. Let's go. I hope you packed the lunch. I hope you went to the restroom, because it's about to take off. Come on, algorithm. Pump the video. Now play. Let's see, we're going to refresh the page on the liquidation heat map on the 24-hour time frame. We're going to reduce this due to our good friend and trader, Al, who said there's a threshold, and he uses 0.5. He was using 0.6, but now he uses 0.5. So if he's successful, well, guess what we're going to do? We're going to do what successful traders do, and we're going to use it to our advantage. So we have it 0.5, we adjusted it, and then he also told us about this right in front of our eyes. Never mess with it, but it makes us look smarter. I think so, and fancy. Here, oh yeah, definitely, man, definitely. I appreciate it. I really do, really appreciate it. Liquidation heat map. We got some heat up towards the top. 97.32 million. Say that 90900. So there's a hot spot right there. We have some down here. Boring. 45 million. Man, get out of here. Let's see what the 12 hour says. Could we go down first? Sure, of course. We can do whatever once. This is why we trade level by level. And we are so close. 12-hour time frame, 27.12 million, sitting at 90067. Then we have 35.12 million, few dollars above it, 90132. Let's go. Let's go. So could we get this? Yep. Could we just go down from here and get this one down here? Yep. That's why we trade level by level. Very, very not complicated. Let's go to 3-day. On the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day time frame. Why is this not? Oh, I was like, how come it's not showing up? Let's see here. Stated Fire. This dude's an awesome dude. I really, really like this dude. Very smart. Very just a good person. Like me and him were talking a whole bunch in JR's stream yesterday, actually. Really great dude. So come join the Discord. It's free. I have a Discord too, but nah, all right. I just do my Bitcoin updates there. 40 seconds long. But yeah, JR's Discord's lit. So definitely join. Let's see here, going on the list. Smash the like. Let's go. Harp with the chicken wings and the bingo bangos. Let's go, guys. So happy you guys are here. Sin says, get your water. Stay hydrated, brother. Yeah. I haven't been drinking too much. I drank a water today. Drank a coffee today. Drank a water when I came home. I need to drink more water. And dusk for a long time. Let's go. So you're saying dusk? Dusk long, okay. So let's look at this. Dusk, long, and gun. Man, we were trading gun in JR's group a few days ago. We were killing it. Oh my gosh. I haven't traded gun in a few days now. We'll look at it. We will look at it. Let's see here. Someone else said during the live, I did not earlier. The chat was being weird too. Had to refresh it. Okay, good. Yeah, but I'm watching the videos, loving the videos. I love cats. I really do. I love dogs too. I love all animals. Cats, dogs, chinchillas. And all of them really. The one that I love, and I think I'm gonna get it too, but once I get some land, I get some of them little pygmy goats. the miniature little, I think they're called pygmy goats. Man, you'll have like 1 million views. I know because I watch videos that have over 1 million views, and they're so cute. You know, jumping around, eating whatever, and I want to do that. Get some pygmy goats. That'd be cool. Yep. Very nice. Strike a heart. What's going on, man? Appreciate you. Saying hi to the chat real quick, and then we're gonna go to Bitcoin. Then after that, we're gonna look for Dusk for a long and also Gun for a short. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. We are gonna check out Litecoin as well, because that one is looking pretty juicy. Pretty juicy. Strike a heart. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you very much. Crypto Squid, my man. This guy right here, another great trader. JR's Discord. Gave some information, some knowledge, some wisdom that I needed to hear. I knew it, but sometimes you just need another trader just to say, this is what needs to be done. And I don't even think he was talking to me. And I was like, man, I do need to do that. I know it, but started doing it. And I'm just really happy he said that. Let's see here. Jared says, I'll go to the restroom, but I'm back. Very nice, my friend. Very nice. This morning, long, printed, hard. Nice, man. Very nice. A gun long, let's go. I love dogs the most. Yeah, I like cats the most. I like dogs. But with the dog, you yell at it, and he'll kind of cower and put his tail between his legs and kind of look at you all scared. You yell at a cat, cat will look at you like, who are you talking to? I know you ain't talking to me. Who else? Yeah, that's what cats do. Let's see here. Crypto Squid says, I'm here to put that foot in your, yeah. Very true. Something we need it too. We really do. All right. Let's look. Ooh, 3 day. Nice. Liquidation to the top side. Good Lord, man. 60 million, 91.1. 68 million, 91. What else do we got? 124.29 million at 90.9. Guys, geez, man. 18.5 million at 90.8. So many millions just stacked up right here within a few $100s. And to me, it looks like this is a really great area for the market makers to go to, whether it be now or in a couple of days. Because again, they could easily come down because everybody sees this. Market makers know what we use. Market makers know that, oh man, look at this, the liquidation. Let's long it. Put stops down here. And you'll see within a few hours, this will get super, super bright. Right now, it's only 60 million. Give it a few minutes, a few hours. May turn to 70, 80, 90, 120 million. And guess what? As it's getting closer and closer, reverses. Gets this and then gets this. They're mean. They're jerk faces. The market makers, jerk faces. Let's go to 1 week. Jerry yells at me a lot too. Floki's Angel says, I used to love dogs. And that's, yeah. Switch to Floki and Angel as well. Yeah. And here's the thing too. Animals are so special. So special. If you are either lonely, sad, depressed, whatever, get a dog, get a cat, get a parrot, get whatever. And now you have something to do. Like you can be super, super depressed, but you got to feed your cat, your dog, your whatever. Like you got to feed them. And then they'll do something dumb. They'll make you laugh and you start talking to them. For me, my brother calls me a cat lady. And I'm okay with that. He goes, how many cats you got down, Joe? So I only have 2. I've only had 2 for several years. He goes, yeah, right. You probably have a whole bunch of cats that are in your yard. I said, no, only 2. But I'm a cat lady. I'm okay with that. Yep, very true. JR blames me for everything. Harp. That's funny. You see? River's been on fire. Let's look at River too. So we have 3 coins we're gonna look at. I tried shorting SKR or something like that. It's Solana something with the phone or something. It was an airdrop and it pumped like 400, maybe 500% in a day. I said, man, this one's ready. Started rolling over on the 3-minute time frame. Someone take a shot at it. Like, I don't know, like an hour later, stopped out. And then all day today it's just been going sideways. It looks like it wants to go down. We'll see. We will see. Clash, really quick, for the people who like Clash, we said that it could potentially come down here to this purple box when it was way up here. And then it come down, coming up. Mention again when we were around here, if we do break this box, not good, because we can come down for all this. Come down to about 0.024, maybe even lower, 0.019. But what we want to see a bounce on this box. Sure enough, it came up, came down, bouncing. What we do not want to see, we don't want to see this. Where is the path tool? We don't want to see where we come up a little bit more, come down into this. This is what we don't want to see. We do this, no good. Let's put this in white so y'all can see it. Let's do this as far as, where's my face? I guess we'll do, I guess we'll do this. That's this face right here. Oh. And if we do this, or we come up, and then maybe here, go to here, come down, come up, this is good. And what we need to do is just level by level. That's all we need to do. Is there a money thing here? Moon mission. Moon mission. Boom. But we just need to see where the pivot's going to happen. If we do a pivot here, come down and break this pivot, great. If we break this pivot, which means we're going into this zone, not good, because then we could come up and now this acts as resistant. Plus same thing here. Double resistance, double whammy. Boom. Possible coming to the downside. We'll see. We got Mr. John 5574 says, what up, bro? What do you think H-bar is worth? Do you think H-bar is worth holding? Ooh. Let's do H-bar long-term question mark. Okay. So we'll answer that for you too, John. So we're going to look at a Bitcoin now. So let's go and do this over here. So we're going to look at Bitcoin. After Bitcoin, we're going to look at Dusk for a long, Gun for a short, River, because it's been doing really nice. And then also H-bar long-term. Let's see here. Dina, you says, whatever happens, I'll be there. There you go. Whatever happens, let's go. See here with the bag. Oh, are you on the treadmill? Nice, hard working. Thank you, man. Yeah, I gained a lot of weight. So I'm not doing the treadmill to lose weight. I'm just doing the treadmill to be active. I've gained a lot of weight, man. The last 5 years, been doing, so I used to walk a whole bunch during my job, like a lot. Then I got into crypto, sat down literally the entire day, charts. Of course, I have my own group and all this other good stuff, updating charts, just sitting down. The most activity I would get would be from the office to the kitchen, or from the office to the restroom. That's it. That was my activity. It was bad. 5 years, man. Every year gaining 10, 15 pounds. It's a lot of weight. Do the math. It's a lot. So I finally got I call it a stepper. It's a treadmill and a stand-up desk. I had it in the box for several months. I'm not going to tell you how long because it's embarrassing. Then finally, I opened it up and I got to it. So I've been doing this now for like 4 months, I guess. And I have noticed a difference in my weight, but I'm not doing it for that. I want to be active, and I still eat, like I'll eat a donut, I'll eat, some stuff, but It's not like, oh, I'm only eating salads, and no, I need to move. I really do. And that's what I'm doing now. So thank you, man. Thank you, John. Appreciate you. So Bitcoin, last night we were here, and I was saying we need about 12 hours to see what might happen. If this is my plan A, to where we come up, we break above our anchored VWAPs. All these blue lines are anchored VWAPs from different sections of this. So we started the low, anchored VWAP, the high, anchored VWAP, and also this movement, anchored VWAP. So it's giving us, and I kind of use these kind of like Bollinger Bands. It's giving us this area. We're bouncing our head, 4-hour time frame. We're bouncing our head, keep on bouncing, or we're getting rejected, rejected. Price is here, and then I'm thinking plan A, we come up, bounce, get rejected on 3, 2, come down, pull back, which is fine, and then hopefully bounce off of this level, potentially 90.4, then come up. But we're gonna need more than 12 hours to see if this can potentially happen. This right here, again, we're right here, banging our head on this VWAP. I'm thinking, well, we could come up, get rejected off of the anchor VWAPs, come down, find resistance on our trend line. Trend line is drawn from here to here using the magnet tool. Let me adjust this. There we go. There we go. And you can see we came down, we came up, we came down, we came up. So we're trying to balance on this. And again, right now, we're no closer to what our decision might be than we were yesterday. So we still need time. But the market is kind of showing a little bit of strength. And we're going to look at that in just a moment. So currently, my thought process still the same. Hopefully, we go up to do this number. And we won't know for another minimum 12 plus hours, because right now we're stuck in this little range. And so what we do here, if you're new, definitely consider subscribing. We show you how to trade for free. There's no boot camps you need to buy, or, using acronyms, abbreviations that you don't know what they mean. And I sound super smart. And then if you want to learn, you got to join. Get out of here. We just show you level by level. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Sometimes these thought processes play out to the freaking T. It scares me. It's so crazy. And sometimes I'm way off. And again, I don't know what's going to happen. If I knew what was going to happen, I'd be super incredibly rich from trading. Super incredibly rich. I win, I lose. We talk about losses, and to me, those are more important than talking about wins. But we do talk about wins too, why they won, everything else. But the main thing is, like on the losses, why did we lose? Was our stop loss too tight? Was our thought process not, as accurate as it could have possibly been? Again, we don't know. We only have the information in the moment. And then after the fact, we see the information or data that present itself, so we can kind of say, oh, okay, well, when it did this, that should have been my clue. It's like, maybe come down. Again, nobody knows. All right, moving on. DNIU says, if you can't tell the difference working out, you will if you stop. Keep it up. Thank you. Yeah, I know. I noticed the difference. I noticed the difference in my clothes, and I don't have to hold my breath when I'm tying my shoes. So that's a huge sign. And for those of you who know, basically, if you get too fat, when you bend over to tie your shoe, you can't breathe. It's embarrassing. And that's when I knew, it's like, man, I have it. I just gotta put up this dumb stand-up desk and the treadmill. It's like, all right, let me just do it. I did it. I had some extra pieces for the desk. I'm not gonna lie. I literally have extra pieces, but it works. So it's good. But yeah, and I love it too. So here it's 2 birds, 1 stone. I'm gonna be here on here for an hour. So why not do some steps? That's what I do. John says, proud of you, man. Thank you. That means, you have no idea how much that means to me. It really does. It helps motivate me and everything. So thank you. You're only hooping, bro. Yeah, thank you. So this is what I think. Plan A, still need like 2 more hours. Let's look at Litecoin really quick. Uh-oh. So yesterday we're looking at Litecoin and the price was here, banging our head in this resistance zone. And I'm thinking, oh, so I did mention this. Sometimes I'm crazy accurate. It's scary. And sometimes I'm way off. Now, whenever I am incredibly accurate, I make sure to remind people that I can be way off. There's several times where, and like I'll have to go through some of the charts to find one that I'm way off. Usually I'm spot on, but I could have been completely wrong. It could have just dumped and no bounce. But look at this. Look at this. Price is here. I'm thinking we may come down to about here. I don't know. We end up coming down to about here, and then now coming up. So right now, if we're on the map, you are here. So we're looking for a pullback. Currently, we're getting the pullback. Why? Because I know what's going to happen. We're at resistance. Now, in order for this to play out, and this is why we trade level by level, guys, like so many people make it so incredibly complicated. Like, look at how many indicators I have on my chart. I have one, price action. That's it. Could I use others? Yeah, definitely, of course. You know, when I'm actually trading, I'll have my moving averages. I'll have my VWAP. This tells me that just the strength. Price action currently is above my white line, 9 SMA, my orange line, which is 30 SMA, my blue line, VWAP. What does that tell me? Strength. That's what it says, strength. It's coming up. But I do know what goes up, it's gonna come down. Some point, could it blast through this? Yeah, of course. It can go straight up if it wants. It wouldn't be healthy. What would be healthy for right here is if we pull back. And we have our alert set at 70.36. And then hopefully when we see this, when we pull back, hopefully we don't break below this zone. 69.54, 69.14, very tight zone. So here, I would not be mad if it does this. Enter a trade, go for a long. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so enough of that. Let us look at dusk for a potential long. And again, if you have any questions, silver, why silver? Why, for the love of God? 98.66. Oh, silver, you make me sick. No more of the $20 silver. No more. Where's the retrace? Oh, we had a 15% retrace right here. This kind of wick, barely. We had a 15% retrace this kind of wick, barely. Where's my 38% pullback, 50% pullback? Oh my gosh, man. Every time we have to adjust this because it hasn't pulled back yet. This is a dynamic fib retracement. It's dynamic because we haven't pivoted yet, so it can continue going up. So now, minimum I'm looking for, 382, which is $68 silver. And if we're lucky, it was $50. If we're lucky and it pulls back 0.5, we'll see 58, 57 for there. So incredibly, man, I had it in my cart. My silver. Next week. Next week never came. That was 4-5 years ago. And now I'm super excited if I can get it for $58. How dumb is that? That's how people are gonna feel about Bitcoin. You know, hopefully it's gonna come down. When it does, we're gonna get some. And even then, people are gonna, oh no, it's too much. No, you kidding? Yeah. Here, Harp, I wouldn't blame you for everything. What was it? Oh no. Harp, he hit you in your gut, in your kidney. Ouch. That's funny. All right, so let's look at dusk. And I appreciate you guys for being here. If you're not already, definitely subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Blah, blah, blah. Smash the like. You know the drill. You know the drill. Okay. For dusk, for a long. Ooh, no. Dusk, long. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. And so here's the thing with these coins. I really, really hate pumps. I really do. Because the FOMO could continue. For example, now granted, whenever we're doing back testing, and this is what a lot of back testers don't tell you, either they don't know or they haven't realized it yet or whatever reason. When we were here, this was a different time. You know, we had different stuff going on in the world. We had different stuff as far as the hype on crypto and just everything else. So whenever you're back testing anything, take that into consideration. Were we bearish? Were we bullish? Is it in the bear market? Is it the bull market? Each market has segments, beginning, middle, and end. Which segment was it in? Because let's say, for example, price come up, come down, beautiful. Come up, come down, beautiful. Come up, come down, beautiful. Come up. Holy smokes, we're going to the moon. Let's get in. Now, this would have been great if it's full on bull market, bull season. Every coin is going up. Everything's going great because it could continue shooting up until it decides to come down. Now, when it decides to come down, 38, maybe 50% is what I like to see. Came up, then broke the level. Uh-oh, not good. You know, and why? Because people are just taking profit, you know. But this right here is when everything was going up. In 2024, right around this area, everything's coming up. And then, of course, we're coming down. So right now, the market's horrible. You get some coins that are moving. For example, Crow. Y'all remember Crow? Crow, let's see here. Meet David says, you're turning into Road Dogg with rambling and side stories. No, this is just, I stay on track. Except for my story time. No, but whenever I'm doing this, it's good to know what part you're in as far as the segment, the bullish, bearish. And so I'm leading to the point. Right now, everything's crap. Everything's crap. So Crow, when Crow pumped, you know, everybody started shorting it. And it pumped some more. Everybody started shorting it. Pumped some more. Then finally, it started coming down. And it came down really, really hard. Why? Because the market wasn't great. Same thing with all these other coins. And we've seen them. There's not a lot of them, but we've seen them where they pump and we start trying to short and they continue to take off until they roll over. Now for dusk, let's see for a long. Let's go to fib retracement from the low to the high and 0.5 on the dot. Wow. Very nice. I like seeing minimum 3.2. 0.5 is what I really like to see for a healthy move. 4 hour time frame. Okay. This blue line is 382. Came down, came up, broke the level, looking like potential bounce. Potential. So for me, this is high risk, and this is the 0.5. This is 618. This is high risk. The reason it's high risk is because we have not done this yet. Where we come up, come down, create a pivot, and then break this. This right here is confirmation that potentially we're gaining strength. This could potentially just lead to more of a downward movement and continue coming down. So you have to be very, very careful. Could you catch the bottom? This is a great bottom. Absolutely beautiful. However, it's extremely high risk because we have not done any kind of confirmation. None. Like here, we came down, we came up, created a pivot. Very nice. You could call this, you know, a bunch of selling pressure, which it is. But we started closing above this level. We could not. Oh, let me draw this accurately. So it's always the wick and the candle body. This is the area of potential reversal. We don't know, but the possibility of it being reversal is really, really high. Why? Because, well, we had some selling pressure. Then the next candle couldn't close in it or above it. And then the next candle, wick, wick, wick. So it's screaming selling pressure. Could we enter here on the break of this level? Sure. Just understand it's kind of higher risk because, we don't want to break this level. Now, granted, you say, oh, Joe, you're just saying that because you see it. No, this is how we trade, level by level. This is exactly. I mean, he even says, no guts, no glory. Yeah. For me, I'm a safe trader. Very boring. Very boring. I don't want to. Do I lose? Sure. Do I want to risk? Sometimes I'll risk trades or enter higher risk trades, but generally I don't. I've done that. I played that game. I like having my portfolio. You know what I mean? Now, granted, somebody who's more risky, they take higher risk trades, and that's why it's important to understand what type of trader you are. Are you like, man, let's go for it? Yeah, then into the trade. And if you get stopped out, you get stopped out very, very minimum stop loss. For example, if I were to enter here, which at least right now I wouldn't. I'd have to look in a smaller time frame. I have 7% is way too tight. That's what everybody's gonna have theirs. I'd have to have my stop loss at 10%. More than likely, either a regular spot trade for a long, maybe a 2x. I could add here, or I could enter here and then add here when I'm gaining confirmation. However, if it's here, the likelihood of it coming down has been significantly reduced. There's still a chance that it could come down, but it's significantly reduced because now we create a pivot and we broke it. And more than likely, we're about to change the trend. Could you catch this? Sure. And then it all depends too. Are you looking to hold it for a few hours, a few days, maybe a week? How big is how large are your targets? So all that comes into play as well. For me, way too risky. 15-minute. So it's at a great area for it to potentially go up, because we had this little extension leg on the 15-minute come up. Beautiful retrace. Let me see how much that is. Magnitude always on. Extension leg from the move from the low to the high. Let's see here. We pulled back into 0.5, came up. Oh man, too risky. I'd have to wait. I have to wait at least 8 hours, maybe 4, and try to get it on the 15-minute time frame. I want to see just more ups and downs. That's what I'd have to see. Because look, this right here could be kind of like this. Now, granted, here's the plus. Here's the plus. It came down and it started going sideways. So it's slowing down the momentum of the just dump. So that's a good thing. But here, everybody who was trying to catch the bottom, guess what? They're trying to catch this bottom. Guess what? They're trying to catch this bottom. So same thing here. Nice little bottom. Start coming up. It even broke this level. But once we break this level, it's oh crap level 1. This one, oh crap level 2. Really high chance. Our last one is this, the 382 for a bounce. And it looked like it was trying to bounce. Couldn't do it. So yeah. Yeah, we got Wix Wi-Fi 89 in the house. What's going on, Wix Wife? Appreciate you. Came here in to smash the like. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. You're the best. You are the best. See, low risk and crypto is an oxymoron. What you say about my mama? Yeah. I manage risk. There's certain things, same thing like taking this trade to increase the risk. you increase your leverage. You know, you risk more than, you know, what you're comfortable with losing on the trade. So there's a lot of ways to increase your risk. Trading on lower time frames, you increase your risk. So there's a lot of ways of increasing your risk. For me, I do trade on the 3 minute, but there needs to be at least some kind of structure to where I can confidently be, okay, I'll take this trade. Granted, it may be 15 or 18% higher than aggressive traders, but I'm reducing my risk of being stopped out. I can still get stopped out, but I'm just reducing my risk. But for me, too much of an aggressive trade, I like it. It's slow. It looks like it's slowing down potentially, but for me, I can't take it. I need to wait at least 4 more hours. Let's look at gun. Now, gun, and here's another thing too, understanding market caps. Gun is a very small market cap, which explains the extreme volatility. Down, moon mission, down. Here looks like it's curving, and you're looking to short this one. Let's kind of look at it on a bigger time frame. For gun, man, I do like trading this one. We traded a few days ago. I think we caught this move or something. Let's see here. So you can just see just up, down, up, down. See here, V Monitor in the house. What? V Monitor, you're the best, man. I'm gonna say it. Don't get jealous, guys. You're my favorite. Just saying it. You're my favorite. Let's see here. Dave P. Thank you. Bingo Bangles in the chats. I love it. I love it. Me Demon says the MACD crossover to the upside on the 1 hour gives me confidence to enter a high risk trade. Hey, there you go. And hopefully it plays out. Hopefully you make money. Yeah, for me, it can easily flip. It can easily flip. So, me Damien, tomorrow, you know, I'll remind us to check it and see, you know, if it went up, you moved your stop loss, all that good stuff. And me Damien's another experienced trader. He's a YouTuber as well. Me Damien, what time do you go live? I forget. He used to go live at 12 to 2, but then he ended up changing his schedule. And then I end up working, so I can't see him anymore. I'm missing everybody's streams. Missing everybody's streams. We got Mark Dutch in the house. What's up, Mark Dutch? So you can see that it's very, very volatile. And on the daily, it went up really nice. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Daily. Pump, 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 pump. And then boom, 100% take back. Plus. Pump, 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 pump. And then boom, nice retracement. And then this one, huge pump, almost or over 78% dump. And now, potentially, I mean, we're making higher highs, which is great. But the chance of it pulling back, very high. Could it continue pumping because of the low market cap coin? Sure, definitely. So meet Damien from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. He does have TikTok as well. And he goes over crypto, he goes over stocks, goes over the market, macro, and also, you know, scalps. So just to let you know, like, if you want somebody in that time frame, that time slot, Eastern Standard, definitely check him out. Definitely check him out. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, what do we see? I really want to trade gun. I like gun. I really like gun. Let's see here. 4 hour, nice pump, then dump, then pump, then dump. Liquidated everybody who was going short, who was looking for this rollover right here. They would have got me if I was in this. They would have definitely got me. Very much so. Mark Dutch says 3 drives, and that's 3 drives. This 1, 2, 3. I don't know about anything about that stuff. I hear people talking about it, but I don't know. I mean, you could see like there's a trend line here, and so it's like a channel. So it could come all the way down here to this area, possible. So 0.02721, just eyeballing it, you know, doing a trend line like this. Let's go 1 hour. On the 1 hour. Huge dump, man, that's wicked. Can you imagine taking the short here, moving your stop loss, take profit 1 hits, probably here, take profit 2, depending on how much you're trading or leverage. Dude, that's a beast. Let us look at the, now here's another thing too. Understanding it's a very low market cap coin. It does not follow the rules of most coins that I like to see. Bounce 382, 0.5, great. Sometimes these lower market cap coins, their minimum that they'll pull back, sometimes they don't, but sometimes 0.5, 618, like easy, because it takes less money to move. But just to let you know. All right. But I'm liking it. Let's go 15-minute time frame. Okay. So for me, because I trade safe, this is the 382 right here, blue line, 382. You can see it right here. Because I trade safe, I would like to see, before I short, I would like to see, because they can easily do this number very easily and then make another all-time high, or higher high rather. I can very easily do this. In order for me to enter this trade, I would need to see it break the 382. So it would have to go underneath 0.03432 in order for me to enter the trade. So this would be entry down here for the short, and even if it came way up here, so we could do like a double top. You could, as it's rolling over, maybe on the 3 minute, you could enter here for the short. This would be very aggressive though. Yellow means aggressive, white is safer, but only as it starts rolling over on the 3 minute time frame, because they could easily continue going up. And then the stop loss super tight, and you may get stopped out once or twice before the actual move. But I do like gun a whole bunch. Who's here, guys? Put a 1 in the chat if you're here. Put a 2 if you're not. Put a 1 if you are here. Put a 2 if you're not. And I greatly appreciate you. We've done Dusk, too aggressive for me. Gun, which more than likely I'm gonna be trading this in JR's Discord. So if you want to see me trade live, go on JR's Discord. There we do degen stuff. In my VIP group, you know, I don't really do too much degen stuff. Sometimes I'll post, I think I actually posted gun in the VIP a few days ago when we were trading it. Killed it, absolutely killed it. So yeah, it was good. But yeah, definitely, man. Yeah, like I said, like if you're a trader, I mean, there's a lot of traders in here, like a lot of traders, and that's what I love. I really love that. One, you already know how to trade, but you're here showing support. That means the world to me. It really does. There are so many great traders in the chat right now, and y'all are here, you know, not so much looking for a trade setup from me, or maybe even my thought process on this, but you're just here showing support, and I appreciate that greatly. I really do. Nice. D9U says 420, 365. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Let's see here. So for me, I definitely would have to wait, and I'll probably be taking this trade. I do like gun, and then if it breaks this level, more than likely I will 0.03555 around. More than likely then I'll do a long, and then hopefully continue it up. Looking for potentially it coming over here, and then now it's probably here, and then now probably coming down, and maybe this may come a little bit higher. So, and then take this short, and then maybe this short continues playing, and again, level by level. So I do like gun, I really do. Let's look at River. River has been doing some major moves. What can we do for River? So on river, this is what I look for. So I look for the break of a low to enter. And especially, you know, it came down, went up, beautiful pullback, and then now rolled over into the trade right here. And I'm not saying this because I see that it went down. This is literally the level by level trading that I do. Now, granted, we're going to zoom out in just a second, but matter of fact, let's do it right now. Daily, holy smokes. Holy camole. 4 hour, man, look at that wick just to get all the longs. And then, well, I mean, sorry, to get all the shorts. Everybody's shorting. No, I'm sorry. I said it the right way the first time. So everybody who's shorting has their stop loss here. And everybody who's longing has their stop losses here. And boop, got them all. And then got the other way, all the shorts. Let's go to a 1 hour. Yep, 15 minute. For me, river looks mighty good. Now, would I short right now? Depends on the market cap on river, but generally no. This is where we would have done it, but no, because now what I want to see is I want to see it pull back up, get rejected around here, start coming down, and then if so, then what I could do, lower time frame, like a 3 minute time frame, I would do an aggressive entry, which would be yellow. This is aggressive. The reason it's aggressive because we have not had our confirmation yet, which would be a break of a low. And let's say we come down, we come up, we come down, we break this, which is great, but I want to see this one. And then here we could add to our short, and then hopefully we come for all this. And that's a huge arrow. Hopefully we can come for all this and all this. But would I short right now? No, it already moved 11%. So I would wait for it to. Now, does it mean that it has to go up right now? No, it can continue coming down and then it goes up. Then if it breaks the low, then I can do it. Let's see here. That's crazy. Who took the short, guys? Who took the short? Put 3 threes in the chat. Who took the long? Put the 3 threes in the chat. It's like, wait, you said that it was a. You said that it was a. Whatever he says. There's a bull flag inside the cup and handle, inside the inverse head and shoulders, inside the Adam and Eve. It's like, wait, it's a bullish pattern, then a bearish pattern, and a bullet. Which way are you going, man? Yeah. Good luck with him. Good luck with him. All right. Let's see here. So river, I'd be waiting. It didn't move too much. If we would have seen it here, and this is why we trade level by level, same thing, you know, it came down, came up. If it would have broken this level, or really the zone, we could enter the trade for the short, hoping it comes for these areas. But since it didn't, it broke this level, okay, we go long. We'll go long until it reverses. That's what we do. All right. Last one is H bar. H bar. That's gonna be a long term. Is it good to hold? Depends on where you bought it. If you're here, the one who mentioned this one, if you're here, where did you buy it at? Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Just to let you know. All right. So this is the danger zone below the 618. I call it the danger zone. Tom Cruise. Why? Because we can crash and burn. And that's exactly what happened. So in H bar, price was here. And I'm thinking we may come up to come down, create a pivot, continue going up, or we could just lose it and lose the 618 danger zone. That's where Tom Cruise comes in, and then potentially roll over. What do? We ended up going a little bit opposite of everything. We went down instead of up. Then we skyrocketed to the moon. Here is where I'm looking for a bounce now, because now we have this data. I'm looking for a bounce here. The lowest I want to see it go is this. I don't want to see it break below this. What does it do? Comes down, beautiful to the area I would like to see a bounce. And so these areas, if you pull a fib retracement from here to here, I'm looking for 38%, 50% pullback. Maybe 0.5, 618, maybe. You know, this is my worry zone. This is the danger zone. This is my worry zone. Between 0.5 and 618, I get worried because it could do this. And I talk about this all the time. If we break below the 0.5, you're a little worried because it could bounce its head on the 0.5, which this did exactly that. Roll over the 618, break the pivot, come down to 786, and then who knows? Crash and burn. That's exactly what it did. Let's see here. I'm not sure if the gentleman who asked about H-bar long-term hold is still here. More than likely, whenever requests are done, it's not given in the first like 2 seconds. Tend to see people leaving, and it's okay. But just to let you know, this coin right now, let's go ahead and hide everything. Let's look at it from a fresh set of eyes really quick. And wow. Who are we going to go to next, guys? Who's streaming? Is Crypto Squid streaming? Y'all know? What time did Crypto Squid say he was going to go on? Oh man, so ugly. I hate looking at all these coins that have done this. So for me, now, do I have coins that are down 99%? Yep. Am I selling them? Nope. I'm not going to take. I'll let them go to zero. You know, I'll just put them in my Tangent wallet or wherever, and I'll just wait. I mean, they already went down way too much. You know, if you're down 30, 40%, it's really if you like the project, and if you believe in it. If you do, then keep on DCAing. For me, I'm not going to be DCAing until next year, in about 12, maybe 14 months. But it's a tough one. We came right up to resistance. So what I did, candle body close, candle wick. That's how I got this zone. We met resistance on the zone. We're coming down. In order for me to be bullish on this coin, we would need to come up and break out of the zone at the bare minimum. The bare minimum. And this zone is 0.1. We can just call it 0.14 and 0.124. It needs to break above this zone. Anything below this zone, bad. Really bad. So just to let you know, it's not looking good. But if you like the project, you can continue DCAing, and then hopefully it gives you this some kind of pump to where, because of your DCA, now you're in slight profit when it makes this move and you can get out. But that's the thought process on that. So here, we're gonna go live in about an hour or so. Okay, very nice, very nice. Come by and say goodbye. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to see here. So at about 11 p.m. Eastern. Okay, I'll be looking out for that. And probably hanging out till the sunrise. Very nice. I could probably just hang out for a little bit because I got to wake up early again tomorrow. Oh, boring. Boring. But let's see. Let's see who is live at the moment. So we do this every night. 1 hour. That's not what I want. We do this every night for 1 hour. As a free mentorship, really. Here you can ask questions. You can do all that stuff. We are dropping people. They didn't even say bye. I don't even know where they went. Let's see. Customization. Go to redirect. Redirect. Crypto Squid, my man. Let's go to Crypto Squid. Make sure to do Trade Intuition Raid. I would really love for you to support Crypto Squid. Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, as always, I'm not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's go raid Crypto Squid. Trade Intuition Raid in the house. Smash the like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, as always, I already said it. Let's make this money. Take care. Where's the off button? Tired of walking. 1.1. Is that the miles? That can't be. I'm only going 1 on the speed. Oh, 67 minutes. I did go over a mile. Woohoo! Over a mile, guys. 1.11 miles. Let's go. Where's that off button?